Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So I have, oh my gosh, finally I received my order from Kscraft. So let's get into it. This is the March release. Yes, March is almost over, but you know, things come in due time, right? So this is mine. I finally got my order for the March release. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, let's get into it. Everyone has seen, look, they even sent it in the white bags. Yes. Everyone has seen the March release already, but I still want to show it because it's my channel. Okay, so here she has the elegant butterflies. You get the small and the large. And then you have the, ooh, this is a fancy, this is new to me. I don't remember what this one is called, but there's two size double bows, I think it is. But they can also be four sizes of bows, you know. Just depends on what kind of style bow you're looking for. So you get the layering piece. And then there's the, or the base and then the layering piece. And they all have stitch details. But you can also use it separate. So it just further grows your bow options, which is pretty cute. So you have two sizes here and you have two sizes here. I'm pretty sure these are layered bows. Yeah, definitely. So you have a large and a small. It's very cute. Oh gosh, I'm so excited now. So yeah, then we have the layering leaf wreath. Oh my gosh, you guys, wow. A large and a small, and then you could use them together and put some foam behind that and give it some dimension. And she also has another wreath style that you could like combine together. You guys, the options are endless, but look at those pretty fancy leaves. I love it. Options are endless. They're endless. So beautiful. Finally, we have the nesting peeps with the pocket. And you could turn these. Hannah has showed a tutorial how to turn these into boxes. They look the same, but they're not. So one is about a smidge smaller than the other so that you could create boxes with them. Then you have the face details and you have the pocket. So cute. So three options size for your faces, for your peeps. Very cool. I can't wait. Although, you know, like I said, it's March is almost over. Easter is almost upon us, but that's okay. I don't mind at all. I could totally add these to my current projects that I'm working on. But look at this one. Enjoy my, I think these are all swap words. Yeah. Enjoy my friend. And then this one is for my swap partner. And this one is Hello Crafter. So cute. And you get the shadow piece. Okay, and then this one is, oh, what does this one say? It's a pleasure swapping. That's what this one says. This one says handmade with love. Very cute, and I like the font. Oh, I can't wait. Can't wait to get into it and see what we can do with all these sentiments just for you. So these are awesome, not only just for swaps, you could use it as, you know, sentiments for birthdays and holidays even, you know, handmade with love and all that good stuff, not just for swaps. But that is a great set of sentiments. Here we have the paintbrush that everyone has been playing with. And I recently saw Nati and Soph and Sele on their live, and I think it was Soph, who is her yes. She was playing with the paintbrush. They're working on an Alice in Wonderland theme, and she used the paintbrush to simulate the painting of the flowers from Alice in Wonderland. If you guys know, you know. Also in this set, you get so many embellishing pieces. So here's the brush itself, and then you get all this. You get flowers and twigs, and then you have these sprays, many styles of flower. That is a cute flower for Alice in Wonderland. The dandelion, I think it is. And then you have a butterfly body. So I'm assuming these right here would layer up for the butterfly, but I might be wrong. But you know, oh no, there it is. There's the butterfly. So this is the body, and here is the butterfly. Look at how tiny that butterfly is. Oh my God, so cute. So this is the small set, and everything you have in the small set you get also in the large. So you get so many pieces to play with. Oh my gosh. I was just thinking a while back that I gotta go and get some solid colored cardstocks that would be great complementary to the holidays. That would help, right? Then you get this elegant frame, and on the inside there's a smaller frame. That is cool. I love that. There's also 2 extra layering pieces with the stitching detail. This one has 1 layering piece. Oh my gosh, love it. Everyone I've seen playing with the March release, I was like, oh my gosh, when is mine coming? When is mine coming? So we get a frame. There you go. And then you have the oval elegant frame. And you also get flowers. Oh my gosh, these are so amazing. You get so many pieces with just a die set. Now this one you could use to create with your junk journals or mini albums, and you get like hinges and layering pieces and tuck spots. You could create so many things. Look at this elegant piece right here. I love it. You could use it standing up like this. It looks like a standing mirror actually, the outside shape, or you can use it pointing down. You can also use it pointing left and right to use as a book. That would be cute as a mini album. Then this is a pocket, or you could use it as a pocket flap. You get 2 sizes, 2 layering pieces there, a large and a small. And look at this one. Oh my God, I love it. I love this elegant edging. So pretty. So you use these in your journals. You can use it as a flip up, a flip out, a waterfall. I've seen some of the ladies using it as waterfalls. That's really cute. There is your hinging pieces. You get a long and a short. Then you get another flap for the pocket. This would cover onto your pocket like that. That is a cute little pocket. Using this rectangle here, and you can use it to open up like that. That is cute. I like that. Very, very cute. Very useful. And at the same time, very pretty. So I can't wait. Working with Louisa with our junk journals, and this would be so pretty in my junk journal. So there you go. Frames, junk journals, spring, all these wonderful things. Oh my goodness. This one I believe is a 3D. Is this the elegant book? The drawer system? I think this is. Yeah, I think this is. This one says memories. And I think Hannah also put out a tutorial. So this is the hinge part that curves. That will be very pretty. You get the book right here for the top here to help it curve around. This part right here. And then you have these pieces to create your drawer. Oh my God. I can't wait to put this one together. Let's see what we come up with. March release is really a large release, my goodness. And then you have these little plates. They're all foliage. Look at that. Oh yeah, look at those. I mean, you already get so much greenery in this collection right here. And then you also get florals. And then you have these plates that make the sprays. You could add that to the wreath, right? Oh my gosh, just different elements to make your projects even more elegant. Oh my goodness, I can't wait. Okay, so there you have that. This is the one I'm most excited about. This and the ladybug. These are all, you can make them into mini albums. You can make it into a tag flip. You can turn these into boxes. You got several layering pieces for the butterfly. Wow, 1, 2, 3, and then you get the main layering piece. So that's 4. You've got little hands for the butterfly. You have the head for layering onto the body. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. I've seen people already sharing their projects with this, and there's so many things you could do. Mini album, everything. Wow. Beautiful. This is the ladybug. I think this is a shaker. Yeah, you can also turn the butterfly into a shaker, but mostly this one is a shaker. You get the piece here. You can cut your foam and your top layering piece with this one. And then this one's just a decorative topper to create, you know, the wings. You got the body here. You cut your acetate with this one. So cute. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it. So many ways to use this. Oh my gosh. Here is one of the most popular ones of the release. This is the 3D stand. Oh, it's cut. Uh-oh, I'm gonna need a bag for this one. So you got the side panels here that creates the stand. You guys have all seen it. And this is the front. And then you have these pieces to layer onto your roof. This one creates your roof, so it just folds. These are embossed lines. And then you add those layering pieces onto every other panel. Very cute. I'm excited. And then you get a little shopping bag. You get 2. How cool is that? So this cuts down your cut time. You could double up your papers and put 2 in there at the same time. Very cool. It takes 2 pieces to make 1 bag. I love it. And it'll fit in the in the stand. Very cute, you guys. And we're currently hosting a swap, Ebony and myself. And it is a strawberry shortcake theme. You have to either create a stand or a cart and load it with goodies. This is the perfect die for that. There's also the 3D cart that Kscraft had put out last month. And you got loads of options to create for your strawberry shortcake partners. This is the 3D bag tote. This is the small one. I like the small one because you just use it the main body of the tote is really easy to assemble. And that's a layering piece for your handle. And then this one you cut out and you fold the sides. You need 2. So you need to cut out the shape of this tote 2 times to create your tote. And then the flaps fold in. So very cute. There's the base. Then you get a fancy little label. This is adorable. I love the layering pieces just for the handle itself. This is very, very pretty. So that is the small tote. And there's also a large. So this is the large. And because it's so big, you have to cut the side pieces so they're separate. So instead of being attached like this one, You see how that is? So this is the same piece. They had to separate them because it's already so large. But you get all the same pieces for the layering onto your tote. This is another cute little baggie that you could use in your swaps. How adorable is this? And then I've seen all the wonderful projects with this. This is the bird cage. Love, love, love it. You could use all those flowers that come in this release to decorate your bird cage. And I know I have a bunch of dies that I can make for flowers for this one. So large project, and I would love to see how everybody uses them. So there we go. We've got all the wonderful pieces put together. Let's get it all back in here. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is an amazing release. I'm so excited to receive it. Finally got here. Now I can use it with my current spring and Easter projects. So, you know, even when Easter is over, you could still continue to work with spring, because I'm excited. I'm excited. Butterflies, ladybugs. Oh my gosh. So many wonderful things. Whew. So if you're new here, welcome. I hope you hit the subscribe button, join our crafty family. And while you're there, if you hit the notification bell, that will let you know when I load a new video like this, or when I go live here on my channel. So go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. I hope you guys come back and see what I come up with all these wonderful dies. Oh my gosh. Where do I start? Leave a comment down below. Which die set do you want me to create first? So yeah, love to hear from you all. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.